Well, the PBL On Tour Finals was more than just a battle between the PLDT high-speed hitters Czech and the Cherry Tigo crossovers. It was a reunion of sorts, and we've been talking about this.
I love this.
Bringing back nostalgia, seeing former members of the DLSU Lady Spikers.
And that occasion was made extra special with legendary coach
naman.
Ramil De Jesus, RDJ
Yes.
himself, watching from the sidelines. Here's PLDT's Majoy Baron and Kim Fajardo speaking on starting lineup about Coach Ramil going to the game and what this championship means to the team. Watch this.
Did you reach out to him? Ano ba?
Nung nalaman po nila na magpa-finals kami, parang si Nicole, yung kapatid ni Ate. So nag-ask na sila siguro ng tickets. So yan. Tapos shinare sa amin ni Ate, manonood daw si Coach Ramil, kumuha siyang tickets. So doon pa lang parang wow.
Pero hindi ko in-expect na pupunta siya,
Yeah,
actually.
sabi daw ni Coach Ramil na parang, ngayon lang kasi magpa-finals na yung mga na magkakalaban. So hindi niya papalampasin. So yun. In-expect namin na nandun siya.
And Kim, how special was that? No, after the championship, you guys were all together, even sila Abby
and Ara,
with
yeah.
Ara and
Siyempre, nandun
Coach
din
Ramil.
yung mga bata-bata, sila Jean, sila Gia, di ba?
And then you guys had a picture with Coach Ramil. And sinabi mo nga kanina na ang hirap din kalaban ng sarili, na sinasabi mo nakita mo yung sarili mo with sila Abby, the way they compete. Ano nga ba yan? Ano ba yung nadadala ni Coach Ramil, from yung mga tinuro niya sa inyo from college all the way dito sa pros?
Siguro yung yung values na hindi lang kasi siya about sa skills pag doon ka galing. Talagang kung paano mo i-take on yung game mismo, yung attitude mo sa game, paano ka lalaban, hindi siya yung parang maglaro ka lang . Kasi tingin ko for him, hindi porket nanalo ka, magaling ka. Hindi siya ganun-ganun lang. Marami pa siyang steps para maging magaling ka talaga. So nung moment na yon, parang happy ako sobra kasi nakita ko kung gaano siya ka-proud. Kasi knowing Coach Ramil, hindi naman siya yung basta-basta pupunta lang.
Exactly.
Manonood ng
Presence pa lang.
game, di ba? So, yun talagang yung feeling ko noon, yung pakiramdam ko talagang ang saya.
Special.
Oo, sobrang special yata kami.
Doon si Coach Noel, nandun din,
lahat.
yung staff, di ba, nandun. Nakaka-conscious ba maglaro pag nandun si Coach Ramil?
Actually, tinitingnan ko siya, may isang challenge na.
Talaga?
May isang challenge na parang unconsciously lang na parang tumitingin ako sa kanya. Tapos may isang serve si Ate na parang either in or out. Tapos tumitingin ako sa kanya, tapos sabi niya, in. Tapos sabi ko sa bench, ay, in daw, sabi ni Coach Ray. Tapos outside.
Thank you!
Nagtawanan lang kami from afar.
What does this championship mean to you guys? This is your first. Obviously, gusto nyo pa. Meron pang mga, ito na ba? Ito is the monkey off your back. Parang ito na yung simula. Everybody's healthy. Dadating pa si Del eventually. Tsaka si Aliyah na napakagaling din na isang lasalista. Is it exciting to know that malakas ang PLDT in the coming conferences?
Sa akin, hindi ko naman iniisip na malakas nga yung team na
sige
super. Well, kailangan yun
Yes.
na acknowledge mo rin kung anong meron yung team mo. Pero talagang kasi hindi lang naman kami lumalakas. Lumalakas din yung
Good point.
lahat ng team. So, kailangan talaga naming maghanda. So, yung sa championship naman, sa tingin ko, for me sa sarili ko, it's personal validation. Kasi after all the injuries, parang na-prove ko sa sarili ko na kaya kong maglaro ng ganun.
Good Joy, ikaw. Yeah.
For me, first reward siya kasi nga yung journey namin from F2, hindi kami nakakuha ng championship. Pero ngayon, kakasama kami. And sa ibang teammates naman namin, siguro yung goal din is maging long-term yung maging champion team for a long time yung PLDT. And yun naman yung goal nila ng manager namin, Sir Baji, di ba? So parang start pa lang sana and sana mas maraming championships makuha yung PLDT.
And of course,